This is it. 12:59. 1 hour. My window of opportunity. If something happens and I don't make it, this will serve as my explanation. If I have the courage, then this will be my confession. The company knew what they were doing. They knew the price, but they didn't have to pay it. She did. Sometimes I forget what she looked like. I try to picture her, but the more I fight, the less I can hold on to. Her smile. Christ, her smile. That was something, you know. Beautiful. Through all the pain, she still had her smile.
Now, this is just stupid, Mr. Regan.
I just want to talk to you. I want to tell you about her.
The case is closed.
No! You put the cancer inside her.
Yes. We accept that. We've said we're sorry, and we've settled accordingly. So, why don't you just accept that and move on with your life?
No. I don't want to forget her. I need to hold on. I need to. No! No! 1 minute to go. 1 minute and it all flips back. Daylight savings time. The last hour becomes erased. It's a bug in their security software. Flips back, gets erased, re-recorded, starting all over again. So, you can't have just done that. Where's the evidence? Nothing happened. I'm trying to remember, but it's blank. It's blank.